And one per person will pick up another, so that we have a total of 3 gifts for 3 lucky people who want these things. This is a wine bottle stopper that works really well. It's fantastic. There's one of those in there. There's one of those in there. And these are for the legs of chairs and stuff like that. These are really cool stoppers. They stop things from getting ruined, like your hardwood floors, such as these. They work great on that, stuff like that. So anyway, that's another giveaway right there. Hopefully some lucky winners will come and pick them up. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It's time to bestow the gift of 3D printing in resin to Russell. Let's see what happens. He may be able to do some really cool live streams. We'll just see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey.